Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is the 4th day of February 2021, and we're going to give you all an update on Sundial Growers. We know that this particular stock is getting a lot of interest on Robinhood, so we felt as if we'll come in and update you all on what we're expecting the price to be so that we can all get in position and capitalize on this profit. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. I want to make sure that you stay updated on our price predictions, because if anything, the only way that you can maintain profits and take profits out the market is to get in position right before the trap takes the price there. So join us, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to this particular channel, tap that bell notification so you become notified whenever we upload our videos to this particular medium. So real quick, you guys can already tell that our price chart is not confusing. Why? Because we don't pay attention to any of those technical indicators. Those indicators simply bogs down your mental focus and confuses you. So we simply look at the price bars and the volume just to get an understanding as to what the trap is trying to do. Now, the trap is the one who controls the price. It is his whole job, his whole function is to make sure that he creates a market. He has to bring all of the buyers and the sellers together. And in order to do that, he has to move the price at certain price levels. And you guys can see the same thing for Sundial Growers. Now, recently, this particular stock has garnered a lot of interest. You guys can tell that based off the amount of volume that has increased over the last couple of months. We haven't seen this much volume in Sundial Growers in forever, right? Until it was listed here on this particular exchange. So now we're seeing a lot more market participation coming on for this particular stock. So with that being stated, you can already tell for the most part that this particular stock is already trading at very low prices. I mean, the lowest that this particular stock came to was around 20 cents. And here we are seeing the market trade around $1.18, which is pretty good. Now we need to see whether or not that strength can continue, because right now you can see that Sundial is down almost 3%, 2.89%. Why is that? Well, it's simple, because the market is coming across some restriction right now. And I'm going to show you that. You can see literally that this is where the market for Sundial Growers held support. And then it broke that support area and tried to break that restriction area of about 115 right here during March of 2020. And it failed. It tried it again on the 22nd of May and it fell. So let's zoom in so y'all can see it closer. Okay. So, and then it tried it again in June of 2020 and it fell. And then that's when the market for Sundial completely went all the way down to 20 cents. So here we are again. Now, what is one thing that is different this go around that wasn't present the other times that Sundial tried to break above $1.15? Exactly. The volume is here this time. So now we have a little bit more energy to thrust this price above this last restriction area. So already we're under the premise that the trap wants to continue to increase this price. So yeah, Sundial Growers is strong right now. So now, with that being stated, how high do you think the market can go before it encounters its next level of restriction? We already know $1.15 is restriction. The next area would be in between $1.70 to $2. That is the next area of restriction into the market for this particular stock. So let's see how much of a percentage difference that would be. Okay, so we said about $1.60, $1.70. So let's raise this up to about $1.70. So that's about 44, almost 45% profitability right there to $2, which is 70% from what the price currently is trading at right now in the market for Sundial. So we're going to give a prediction. We're going to predict that the market in Sundial is going to continue to go higher in price. We would TP the market right there around $1.70, skim off a little bit around there. It's still 43% profit, so it's still a good thing. And then we're ultimately going to take it up there to around $2 though. Okay, we say $2 because you can see here, back here in 2019, early 2020, this is where that market found restriction, or it held support right here in December 2019. It held support and then it broke that support area beginning of January, February of 2020. So this is it. We're in position. This is going to be our expectations into the market for Sundial Growers. We're going to continue to expect this particular market to go higher in price. And this area, about 80 cents, needs to be maintained as support in order for this to come to fruition. All right. Now, as always, this is what we're seeing on the chart. You all can see something totally different, which we value. We definitely like your opinion as to what you all think about Sundial Growers. Do you think the market's going to continue to go higher? Or do you think the market's going to continue to go lower in price? Let us know. Leave us a comment in the comment section and let everyone else get an idea as to what the majority of the people think about this particular stock. Tell us. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.